In this aid, we will voice our actually own and market's viewpoint on SRM future while examining Serum cost figure for 2022 and past in an unobtrusive manner. If it's not too much trouble, in a real sense remember that you ought to all things considered. Think about this and an especially other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything in a real sense is a difficult undertaking. Generally, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Serum, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Presently, we should head into it in a significant manner. Before we dig in every practical sense, profound into the Serum value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that SRM fundamentally is a generally excellent speculation or not. For what reason will SRM in a real sense succeed or essentially fall flat, or for what reason will Serum value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what for the most part is SRM and its to-date history, which certainly is genuinely critical. What generally is Serum? Serum really is a permissionless, certainly decentralized trade and blockchain biological system that in a real sense is based on Solana and created by the Serum establishment in a genuinely large manner. The venture truly was in a real sense helped to establish by Sam Bankman-Breuel, the chief of the FTX trade, and a kind of dynamic supporter of the Solana biological system, which in every way that really matters is very huge in the DEX and furthermore in the for the most part bigger environment. Serum sort of means to develop the condition of extremely decentralized trades by bringing every one of the advantages of a sort of unified trade to the DeFi space in an exceptionally significant manner. Serum, especially token $SRM for the most part, is Serum's administration exceptionally token in view of the Solana blockchain, yet on the other hand likewise by and large has an Ethereum or ERC20 variant. In every practical sense, further appearance how Serum truly is a permissionless, certainly decentralized trade and blockchain environment that basically is based on Solana and created by the Serum establishment. Or so they really thought. Around 10 billion SRM truly was stamped as the genuinely greatest stock at initiation, of which roughly 175 meters tokens will truly be flowing at first and will truly develop to 181 million tokens after the IEO, which truly is genuinely huge. This sum generally is then set to especially develop by around 15% yearly, which especially is very critical. It gives holders administration control over the Serum biological system, or so they generally thought. While most parts in Serum truly are considered changeless, a few boundaries, similar to future charges, can be adjusted by means of SRM administration votes in an unpretentious manner. The kind of net costs sort of are utilized to basically purchase and sort of consume the SRM tokens, which basically is very critical. SRM can be marked and can likewise in a real sense be used to, all things considered, pay for charges in an unpretentious way. This gives SRM holders as particularly as half markdown on all exchanging costs, which basically is genuinely huge. Likewise, 90% of all SRM tokens fundamentally are intended for especially long-haul hold or lockups in an unobtrusive manner. This generally is to guarantee that the group for the most part is hanging around as long as possible, or so they generally thought. SRM value expectation for the genuinely next 10 days, which in every practical sense is very critical. The entire crypto world really is on an edge of an especially complete breakdown in a significant manner. Bitcoin sort of has fallen 75% from its record-breaking extremely high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a genuinely significant manner. When basically add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon explicitly is dinky, and there will generally be somewhat more blood in the city of the crypto town, showing the way that SRM can be marked and can likewise in every practical sense be used to especially pay for expenses, which basically is very huge. Financial backers explicitly are selling unsafe resources and moving into most certainly more fundamentally stable business sectors, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Crypto in a real sense is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous especially play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the in every way that really matters second piece of the year, which especially is genuinely critical. This really is generally reflected in our 2023 forecasts, or so they thought. At the present time, Bitcoin generally needs to really find a base before we can move in the precise inverse course and for the most part alter the course, showing how explicitly if it's not too much trouble. Remember that you want to sort of believe this and any truly other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything sort of is a difficult undertaking, explicitly not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Serum in an unpretentious manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will in every practical sense begin to truly do likewise. We sort of have seen this situation many for the most part times in the far off and certainly later history, or so they thought. Our cost expectation model for the most part is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, and in every way that really matters. Large way. We by and large expect whales, and in every practical sense, other a lot greater players in the market to explicitly wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike in an unobtrusive manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each venture, which basically is very huge. Basics that we basically assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative certainly potential, and a few truly other in every practical sense. Restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, especially further appearance how Serum for the most part is a permissionless decentralized trade and blockchain environment that truly is based on Solana, and created by the Serum establishment in an essentially enormous manner. 2022-12-01 in a by and large significant manner, plus 8.64% $0 2962 2022 1202 in an unobtrusive manner, plus 6.04% $0 2891 2022 1203, which essentially is genuinely critical, plus 0.56% $0 2742 2022 1204 in an unpretentious manner, plus 5.43% $0 2874 2022 1205, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, plus 4.55% $0 2851 2022 1206, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking, 2.13% $0 2668 2022 1207, which explicitly is genuinely critical, plus 8.01% $0 2945 2022 1208 in a significant manner, plus 3.13% $0 2812 2022 1209 in an unobtrusive manner, plus 0.87% $0 2750 2022 1210 in an unobtrusive manner, 2.49% 26 cents Serum value expectation 2022. Our expectation model sees an impermanent change to a bear market toward the start of 2022 proceeding. We move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022, or so they generally thought. 2022 DEX 0.21% $0 2721 2023 Jan 7.04% $0 2535 2023 Feb plus 7.15% $0 2921 2023 Blemish plus 12.46% $0 3066 2023 APRA plus 15.67% $0 3154 2023 May plus 17.71% $0 3209 2023 Jun plus 24.39% $0 3391 2023 Joel plus 29.86% $0 3541 2023 AUG plus 27.5